This is Livy and her 1 week update. Come on, right here. Good girl. You. Good girl, Livy. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Good. Sit. Good girl, Livy. Heel. Heel. Oh, what a nice sit. Good job, Livy. Good girl. Heel. Right there. Good job. Good sit. Livy, heel. And do it without the treat this time. Heel. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Well, you knew that was coming next, huh? Down. Good down. Stay. Livy, come. Yay! Heel. Come on. Over here. Sit. Good girl. Come. Heel. Heel. Right here. Sit. Down. Ready? Come here. Roll over. Now try it, Dad. Ready? Roll over. All the way. Come on. Yes. Heel. Sit. And that's Livy and her 1 week update.